Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use approvals and Adobe Sign in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First, you need to know is that if you're using the free or personal version of Microsoft Teams, you won't be able to see the app section because features like approvals and Adobe Sign in are only available on Microsoft 365 work or school accounts. So to use them, you gotta simply first sign into your account with business or organization account, then open Microsoft Teams and click on the app section from the left sidebar, and then you gotta search for approvals and open it. Click on new approval, and then you can simply type in new approval request and add your details. Choose the approval and then select send. And for Adobe Sign, you can go back to apps and search for Adobe Acrobat Sign. Open the app and click add, then select send for signature and upload your document. Enter the signer's email address and click send. So that's it for today's video. Note that you need to have work or school account to do that. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.